This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, March 23rd. In the stock index futures, global equity markets came under some pressure before Fed Chair Powell and Treasury Secretary Yellen's congressional testimony at 11 o'clock Central Time. Also, we did have some weaker than expected economic numbers in the form of new home sales for February coming in at 775,000. The guess was at 875,000. But overall, futures, I would have to say, are performing very well in spite of recent weaker economic news. So it still looks like the uptrend is intact for stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the U.S. dollar index advanced to its highest level in 2 weeks despite falling U.S. interest rates. And the euro currency under some pressure as traders remain cautious due to increasing coronavirus infections and restrictions in Europe. Still looks like interest rate differentials are, for the most part, offsetting and I would say neutral for the dollar. And I would expect the dollar index futures to trade between 91 and 92.50. In the interest rate futures markets, seeing some gains today, actually gains for a second day. Powell made some comments that were prepared in advance of his testimony and already released. Powell said that the recovery was far from complete. He said sectors of the economy hardest hit by the pandemic remain weak, and the unemployment rate underestimates the shortfall, so the recovery still has a long way to go. So these are a bit on the dovish side, and this has supported the interest rate futures markets. Also, I do not expect any surprises from Powell's testimony, especially so soon after the March 17th Federal Open Market Committee meeting. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.